good thing.
What's up y'all? Welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be doing another DIY Lunchable. These containers I got from Amazon. It came with like I think 14 or 15. I had to count it, I'm not sure. But we will have pizza Lunchables. I give them 2 wraps in each one. Okay, these little small cups with lids I also got from Amazon. This is not an all the time thing, but you know, just to make it fun for them sometimes, I do use these little cups. So now I'm adding the pizza sauce to the cups. And that was enough sauce for both pizzas. So now I'm going to be adding mozzarella cheese, and this Lunchable I could put all the stuff together, but like I said, I try to do it fun so the kids are able to do it themselves, and they can just put it, once they put it together, they can put it in the microwave and warm it up. Now I'll be giving them little packs of fruit snacks. And they will also be getting a snack bag, a little small snack bag with some cheeses in it. So now just add some pepperoni. Some of the kids wanted the bigger pepperonis, and some of the kids wanted the little mini pepperonis. And for baby boy, I'll be breaking up his taco wrap in his ham so he can be able to feed it to himself, because he be like, Mama, you is too slow. You take too long. You trying to be in real time. I want my food now. So this is just easier for him. Okay, for baby boy, he also gets the little cheese puffs. These are the baby cheese puffs. I've never gave it to any of my kids before, but I decided to try it this time, and he really likes them. Like, it's a really good snack for him. And he also gets yogurt. Oh, and the cheese puffs melt in his mouth, so they're not hard where he cannot chew them. And he also gets this little rice cake, like rice teether snack type thing. They help with his teething. He's teething right now, so they help him with that. But they are messy. Okay, so everybody also gets juices. I got these juices from Walgreens. They were 72 cents for 8 in a pack. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please, you guys, share my videos. I'm trying to get to 50K, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Just like me, to mess up a good thing. Another